Hello and welcome back to Shuchi Craft Gallery. Subscribe to Shuchi Craft Gallery, press bell icon and select all notification options so you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Diwali is around the corner and I am here with a new gift idea. I made this design on cardboard and cut them out. Now I am covered all the side of cardboard with the masking tape. I'll cover the cardboard pieces with a thick batter of wall putty. It will work as a primer as well as make the cardboard strong. Let them dry. Using air dry clay, make the border with leaf design. I'll write Shubh. Do the same for Labh. Shubh is auspicious and Labh is profit. We write Shubh Labh to gain auspiciousness and profit. And they are also Lord Ganesha's children name. Let it dry. Now painting with traditional Indian bright colors. These are all acrylic colors. Give the shade of golden acrylic color to give it a metallic look. And they are ready to stick on the wall with double-sided tape. So that was the video guys. Subscribe to Shuchi Craft Gallery and give me a thumbs up.